Hey there, Kendall here with Anita Goodesign, and today I'm going to show you the technique of how to make an embroidered card in the hoop. From our collection, Anita's Express Valentine's Day cards. It's a very adorable collection and they're really fun to make. So to start, you're going to want to get your cardstock prepared. So this is just a standard cardstock that you can buy at any craft store, office supply store. Standard cardstock has a crease here. So you're going to want to hoop your tearaway stabilizer, and your first machine step is going to be to run a placement stitch. So your placement stitch here is going to be a guide for your card. So to stitch on the front of your card, you're just going to take the card, place it right over your placement stitch, and have the back of the card to your left. Place your card, you'll want to use tape to make sure that the card is in place. You can tape both the front and the bottom or the sides, and you'll run your tack down stitch. So your tack down stitch here is also going to be your placement stitch for your base fabric. So you can take any piece of fabric, place it right side up. You can do a plain colored cotton fabric or a decorative pattern fabric depending on the occasion. And you'll just place it right side up over that placement stitch there and tack down. Now once it's tacked down, you'll want to make sure that it is trimmed all the way down to your tack down stitch. You do not want to have any excess fabric here because we have a really pretty candle wicking stitch that will cover that raw edge. So you can see here this candle wicking stitch goes all the way around. So this is why it's very important. You want to take your time to cut all the way down to the tack down so you don't have any loose fabric coming out from underneath the finishing stitch there. Now when that part is complete, you'll follow your 1, 2, 3 steps depending on the card that you're doing for any applique and embroidery designs here. So you're almost done. Now all you have to do is take your card and rip it out of your tearaway stabilizer. It will come right out very easily, and there you have your embroidered card. So what a great way to make your card a little bit more personal for any holiday or occasion. Now if you flip to the inside, you are going to see those embroidery stitches on the back and that stabilizer. So what you can do is take another piece, half of cardstock, and glue it to cover this stabilizer and stitches. Or let's say you did a decorative fabric on the front, you can use that same fabric or a complementary color and just glue it here over the back. And there you have a really fun, personalized card for any occasion that's guaranteed to make someone smile.